Good day everyone, welcome to my video, and today we will be solving two math equations from the two math lessons we will feature, the derivative and the antiderivative. Without hesitation, let's get right into the equations. We will solve this function and find its derivative. F of x is equals to x squared minus 10 times x cubed minus 2x plus 4. To find the derivative of this function, we must first use the product rule, which is equals to the quantity of u times the derivative of v plus the quantity of v times the derivative of u. X squared minus 10 is our u, and x cubed minus 2x plus 4 is our v. Now, let us do this part first. F of x is equals to the quantity of u, which is x squared minus 10 times the derivative of v, which is 3x squared minus 2. To get the derivative of v, we must use the power rule, which is u to the power of n is equals to n u to the power of n minus 1. Our x cubed becomes 3x squared. We must use the exponent as our coefficient, which is 3. Then copy x, then in the rule 3 minus 1. Our 2x becomes 2. As stated in the power rule, our exponent becomes our coefficient. The exponent of 2x is 1 times 2. The exponent of 2x, 1, will be minus to 1, which is 0. Since it is already 0, we will not copy our variable. Our 4 becomes 0, as it is a constant number. Our final equation is 3x to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus 1 times 2 is equals to 2, then 0. Now, let us move on to the next part of the product rule, which is v times u derivative. Don't forget the plus sign. The quantity of v is x cubed minus 2x plus 4 times the derivative of u, which is 2x. We must use the power rule again to find the derivative of u. Our x squared becomes 2x. As stated in the power rule, the exponent becomes our coefficient. 2, copy x. Our exponent will be minus to 1, which is 2 minus 1 equals 1. 10 is a constant number, so therefore, we must equate this into 0. Now, our final equation is 2x. Next step is to multiply or distribute this term to this term. Same goes with this term to this term. So, x squared times 3x squared is equals to 3x to the power of 4. Negative 10 times 3x squared is equals to negative 30x squared. Next is x squared times negative 2 is equals to negative 2x squared. Lastly, negative 10 times negative 2 is equals to positive 20. Now, we will multiply this term. X cubed times 2x is equals to 2x to the power of 4. Negative 2x times 2x becomes negative 4x squared. 4 times 2x becomes 8x. Our last step is to combine like terms, which is 3x to the power of 4 and 2x to the power of 4. 3x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 4 becomes 5x to the power of 4. The next like terms are negative 30x squared minus 2x squared minus 4x squared. Negative 30x squared minus 2x squared is equals to negative 32x squared minus 4x squared. Copy the remaining terms, which is 20 and 8x. 8x plus 20. Negative 32x squared minus 4x squared becomes negative 36x squared. Copy the remaining terms. 5x to the power of 4 plus 8x plus 20. And there you have it, our final answer. The next part of this video is to solve the indefinite integral. Integral of 8x to the power of 6 plus 6x to the power of 4 minus 4x squared dx. First, we must split the single integral into multiple integrals, which is integral of 8x to the power of 6 plus integral 6x to the power of 4 minus integral 4x squared. Don't forget to put dx on each integral. The next step is to move out constant numbers, which are 8, 6, and 4. By doing so, we must put the constant number before the integral symbol. 8 integral of x to the power of 6 dx plus 6 integral of x to the power of 4 dx minus 4 integral of x squared dx. Now, we can use the power rule of integral, which is integral of u to the power of n du equals u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, or constant. In the power rule, a is a constant number outside the integral, u is the variable, and n is the exponent. Now, copy the constant number, which is 8, times the variable, which is x, n is 6, plus 1 over n, our exponent, 6 plus 1. Do this to the other integrals too, which is plus, copy 6, our u, which is x, our n, which is 4, plus 1 over n plus 1, minus, copy 4, our constant number, times our u, which is x, our n, which is 2, plus 1, over n, 2 plus 1. Don't forget to put plus c, as this is an indication of the constant number from the original function. Next step is to simplify, which is 8 times x, 6 plus 1 is 7, over 6 plus 1, 7, plus 6 times x to the power of 4 plus 1, which is 5, over n plus 1, or 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 4 times x squared, or 2 plus 1, 3, over 2 plus 1 is 3, plus constant, or c. The final step is to reorder these terms, which is 8 over 7 x to the power of 7 plus 6 over 5 x to the power of 5 minus 4 over 3 x cubed plus the constant number, or c. This is the answer of this indefinite integral. Thank you for watching.